Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize LinkedIn Campaign Manager for AI lead nurturing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager page. Log in with your LinkedIn credentials. If you don't have a Campaign Manager account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, locate the Account tab in the top menu. Click on Account and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings, scroll down to find the Authorized Users section. Here, you can see users who already have access to your campaign manager. To authorize a new user, click on the Add User button. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the user you want to authorize. Select the appropriate permissions for the user you are adding. These permissions may include Manage Campaigns, View Performance, or Billing Access. After selecting permissions, click the Send Invitation button. The invited user will receive an email to accept the invitation. Instruct them to follow the link in the email to gain access. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard of the Campaign Manager. Click on the Create Campaign button to start your first campaign. Select Lead Generation as your campaign objective. Fill in the required information such as the campaign name and target audience. Determine your budget and schedule for the campaign. Set up your ad format, choosing options like single image, carousel, or video ads. Add your ad copy, ensuring it's engaging and relevant to your audience. Finally, review all campaign settings before clicking on Launch Campaign. After launching, monitor the campaign's performance through the dashboard. Regularly check the metrics to make necessary adjustments for lead nurturing. By following these steps, you can effectively authorize the LinkedIn Campaign Manager for AI lead nurturing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.